Would you like to know instructions from the City of LA when a disaster hits? Hi, I'm Dave Friedman with the Home Equity Roundup, news that affects your home values. And we're sponsored by 818myhouse.com. I think it's important for all of us living in LA County to sign up for this relatively new program that enables us to receive text messages about disasters from the city of Los Angeles. Not only where certain disasters are, it's the details that we need, and we need actions and notification of what to do, where there may be specific evacuations, whether it's from massive fires or earthquake in your area. So that important news is going to be available to you via text, because that's the only thing that may be working in your area, because the cell sites for telephone calls may be damaged, but texts oftentimes get through. So just look right below our video and you will see exactly where to log in on your computer so that you can go ahead and register and get text messages with important information when a disaster hits your area. Be prepared. This is Dave Friedman with the Home Equity Roundup. If you have any questions about real estate, you can call me and my team will be happy to help you at 818-970-7701. Serge, Alan, or myself, again, will answer any real estate questions and help you out. Take care.